Hello friends, welcome back to AI Border. I'm sure you've seen those viral videos on social media where a little baby sits in front of a microphone and talks like a real podcaster. Well, if you're curious to know which tool can actually make those videos, and even better, how you can try it for free, today I'm going to show you. The platform is called AI Saver, and honestly, it's not just about baby podcasts. It's more like a full toolbox for content creators. Everything is in one place. Face swap, image to video, video effects, AI image generators, and much more. Let's start with something fun. On the top menu of the website, there's a section called Talking Baby. Here's how it works. You can upload your own photo, or if you don't have one ready, you can simply pick one of the sample baby portraits shown below. On the right side of the page, there's a text box where you type what you want the baby to say. Instead of typing, you can also upload an audio file or even record your own voice right there on the spot. And just below that, you'll see the voice settings: female, male, neutral, or baby voice. Of course, I chose baby voice because that's what makes it sound the most realistic. After setting that up, I clicked on the big purple generate button. In just a few seconds, the static photo turned into a moving video. The lips were perfectly in sync with the words. The sound felt natural, and suddenly this baby looked like a little podcaster ready to go viral.
AI Saver.
Now, let's move on to the feature that really makes AI Saver shine: face swap. You'll find this under the products section. First, let's talk about photo face swap. The interface is super simple. At the top, you upload the main photo, and just below that, you upload the face you want to insert. In the middle, there's a large button that says Swap Now. I tried it, and within seconds, the face was replaced. The result looked seamless. The skin tones and lighting matched perfectly with no weird edges. Then I tested Video Face Swap. At the top of the page, there's a button to upload video. Once your video is uploaded, right under the preview, you can trim the clip if it's too long. On the right-hand side, you get two options: basic model or professional model. I went with the basic model in HD. It cost me 54 credits, but the result really impressed me. The video stayed in full HD. No quality loss, no strange glitches, just a smooth and natural face swap. It honestly looked like the new person was really part of the original video. Finally, there's the multi-face swap. This one is even more advanced. After uploading a video, the tool automatically analyzes it and detects all the faces. For each detected face, it opens a new upload box where you can add a replacement photo. I tested this with a clip that had two people in it. I uploaded two different images, one for each face. After processing, both faces were swapped, and the result was so natural it looked like those people were the real actors in the video. AI Saver also has creative video generators that are perfect for making content more engaging. For example, there's image to video. Once you upload a picture, a box on the right lets you write a short description of the video you want. I typed "a little boy running while holding a red balloon." Then I chose the duration. You can pick 4 seconds or 8 seconds, and clicked generate. A moment later, my photo had turned into a short video that perfectly matched what I described. Another fun one is video effects. Here you upload a video, and at the bottom you'll see a row of ready-made effects. Just choose one, hit generate, and within seconds the effect is applied. It's a quick way to make eye-catching or entertaining clips, especially for social media. Now, let's look at the image generator section. This is really helpful if you don't already have the right picture for your project. All you do is type a short description, and the AI will create an image from scratch. For example, I typed a futuristic city with flying cars, and another time I tried a cartoon-style cat wearing sunglasses. Within seconds, both images were generated. The cool part is that you don't need to stop there. You can immediately take that new image into the other tools, like turning it into a short video with image to video, or using it inside the face swap feature. This saves you a lot of time because you don't need to search for stock images elsewhere. Everything you need is right here on one website. Now, let me quickly explain how the credits work. When you sign up for AI Saver, your account automatically starts with 100 free credits. That means from the very beginning, you can try out different tools without paying anything. Then, every single day when you log back in, another 50 free credits are added to your account. So even if you don't want to spend money, you'll always have some credits to play around with, as long as you keep logging in. Of course, if you want to do bigger projects or test more advanced tools, buying extra credits is very affordable. For example, with just $10, you can get 2 2,000 credits. And honestly, that's enough for a lot of experiments and even full-length projects. So, whether you want professional tools like video face swap, fun ones like the Talking Baby podcast generator, or creative features like image to video and AI image generators, AI Saver puts everything together in one single platform. This is exactly what content creators like us have been looking for. One website where all the tools are easy to access and work smoothly together. I've left the link in the description, so go ahead and try it for yourself. I'm sure you'll find a tool here that you'll love. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next videos. See you in the next one.